Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the MS-DOS. Students, in the previous class we have already discussed about the Microsoft DOS operating system, functions and others. But in this video we will discuss about the different commands of MS-DOS operating system. So let's start. First we are going to start how to start MS-DOS. Okay students, in the run, suppose you are using Windows 7, so in that case you have to just click on the start button and type command so command type करेंगे and you will find on the top command prompt. So here we are also writing command and you will find command prompt. When you will click on the command prompt, you will see a black and white screen. Background color is the black and foreground color is white. So students, now we are going to start. This is Microsoft disk operating system. This is the full form of this. So today we will discuss about the different commands of MS-DOS. Students, सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताऊंगा MS-DOS provides two types of commands. These are the internal commands and the external commands. इंटरनल कमांड्स ऑलरेडी आपके साथ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के साथ इनबिल्ट होती हैं, बट एक्सटर्नल कमांड्स वी हैव टू इंस्टॉल दैम एक्सटर्नली. तो फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द इंटरनल कमांड्स. फर्स्ट कमांड इज CLS. एज इट्स नेम सजेस्टेड स्टूडेंट, CLS, क्लियर स्क्रीन. व्हेन यू विल यूज दिस कमांड, तो यू विल फाइंड दीज डाटाज विल बी लैप्स erased. Again you can check it. You have to just type dir. It shows the directory. So here is the many directories, but after this you have to see, you have to clear your screen. You have to use CLS command. CLS, clear screen command. After that students, we are going to start a date command. Date command is used to show the current date of your computer system. So what is date? You have to just type date and press enter. Today is 8th August 2020. It shows also the format DDMMYY, and if date is wrong you can enter new date here. After that, if you are not adding here, you are thinking your date is right, so then you can just press enter. You will be outside that. After that we have to use time command. Just write time and type time and press enter. It shows the current time, 8:1:48 seconds and 55 वहाँ पे क्या था milliseconds. This is the standard time. But students, remember one thing, in the DOS you will see your time in the 24 hours format system. Suppose अगर evening का it होता तो it shows here 20. Okay, remember. After that we are using here copy command. So copy command is used to make the duplicate copy of your file. So first we are using here cd command, cd change directory. Now we are on the del directory. Main directory is the C, root directory, user, and then del. So we will go one side back. After that cd dot. Now we are in the C drive. So students, if we want to copy a command, we have to do two things. First we have to a file. After that we have source and target file. So first you have to create a file. Suppose first we are going to check any file from local disk D. Okay students, to check if file is there or not, we have to copy a text file, local disk D. There is a file class 7th.txt. This file we have to copy in the local disk E. Check. Here is no class 7.txt. Not here. Okay. Check what is this. No, class 7.txt is not here. Now we are going to copy. Go to command prompt. Right here, copy. So first we have to write the source also. Okay students, so first that file is available in D drive / name of that class 7th.txt. space. After that you have to write the source also. This is the source. Now you have to write also target. Now we are going to copy this file in E. Okay, slash enter. वन फाइल कॉपी. तो जो क्लास 7.txt के नाम से जो फाइल था हमारा, दैट हैज़ बीन कॉपीड इन द ई ड्राइव. चेक इट. मिनिमाइज कीजिए इसको. ऑलरेडी वी हैव ओपन लोकल डिस्क ई. हियर चेक. class 7.txt is here. You can also open this file. Okay. Our next command is del command. Del command is used to delete. अब से जो हमने ई ड्राइव के अंदर जो फाइल बनाई उसे हम डिलीट करेंगे. ओके, तो राइट del del. आफ्टर दैट स्पेस. ई ड्राइव के अंदर फाइल है, कॉलन यूज करो, स्लैश यूज करो, एंड नेम ऑफ दैट फाइल इज class 7.txt. present. Your file has been deleted. Now you can also check. Go to your local disk E and check is there a file or not. That file was here, but now this is not available. Your confirmation, just press C. Camtasia, no. Okay, the file has been deleted. After that, if you want to rename your file, you have to just rename it. जो हमने क्लास 7 CD ड्राइव के अंदर उसको रीनेम करेंगे. तो फॉर द रीनेम यू हैव टू यूज REN. प्रेस लोकल डिस्क D कॉलन स्लैश. फाइल नेम इज class 7.txt. अब उसका न्यू नेम दे देते हैं. न्यू नेम वी आर राइटिंग जस्ट class.txt. check the file name is done or not. Go to local disk D. Here that file was here, class.txt. Sometimes before it was the class 7. Okay students, so now okay, so again we have done this work. Now we are again going to create a file. Okay, copy count command के हेल्प से हम कोई भी फाइल बनाएंगे. ओके, तो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग हियर टू यूजर्स. okay, copy count. Now we are going to create a file using copy count command. Okay students, using the copy count command we can create files in MS-DOS. So here we are going to create text files. Okay, so how will you create a text file? First you have to write the name of your file. A command copy space count. Okay, first you have to write the name, but students remember one thing, before writing the name you have to also select a destination. We are creating this file in local disk D ड्राइव के अंदर. फाइल का नेम हमने रखा jvs.txt. press enter after writing the name. Now you can write anything. Hi, this is our school at Hindon Road, Mahua. Okay students, press enter. Control plus Z. Students listen, in this application this command is used to save your file. Press Control plus Z from the keyboard and enter. Now one file has been created with the name jvs.txt और उसके अंदर कंटेंट क्या लिखा है, हाय दिस इज आवर स्कूल एट, और लिखा गया नो प्रॉब्लम, at Hindon Road, Mehwa. Now check it. Go to local disk D and you will find this file is here. Okay, change it. Already saved, we can change it in this file. Okay, type command. Students, this command is used to display the content of the specified file. अभी हम चेक करेंगे टाइप स्पेस जी ड्राइव के अंदर हमारी फाइल है, फाइल नेम इज jvs.txt. present. This matter is written in your file. Hi, this is our school at London, because we have changed that was the or and we have changed it. After that, next command is dir command. Dir command is used to show the directories. Okay, so you can check any dir shows the directory of your local disk C. You have to check the directory of D drive. There is some files and folder directory, means it shows all the files and folders which are available in your local disk D. You can also check in a particular drive also. Now make a directory. Now you can make directory with other directory, means you can make just a folder in a particular file. Here we are going md and then directory. Listen students, इसमें जो भी डायरेक्टरीज हैं उसमें class.txt ये है. अब हम एक फोल्डर बनाएंगे, यहाँ पे एक डायरेक्टरी बनाएंगे. किस नेम से बनाएंगे बताओ? KVS के नाम से भी. ओके, क्लास है आपके नाम से नहीं है तो हम ये बनाएंगे md. फिर हम एक स्पेस यूज़ करेंगे और इसके बाद करेंगे हम लोग क्लास 7. It has been created. Your directory has been created. Class 7 के नाम से लिए. Now check directory. देखो, class 7 is also made by here. Okay. Now you can also remove a particular directory. Okay. So you have to remove directory. RD remove directory class 7. Again check class 7 is here, or that is class 7 is here, but now you check it is not available here. Class and class 7 has been removed. After that, some external commands also students, but in this session we are not using here external commands. Class.txt is also there. Please, we are using here edit command. Okay, please try to use it. Edit. The name of file is class.txt. Because this is the external command and this is not available in this, that why it is not. So before using this command you have to install. Okay students, now we are going to clear screen. Now go to exit. Thank you students, thank you very much.